We have a lot of unforeseen natural disasters. We contend with wildfire, high water events, which causes flooding and eroding of our roads, and our public works team, our sheriff's department, really work overtime to keep the community safe, cleaned up, and back in operating position.
This project aligned with our infrastructure. Just so the fact is that we had aging infrastructure. Our air conditioning systems and lighting systems were antiquated, and so this brought our systems into a modern zone where we can take care of them a lot better without having problems with our people.
With the battery backup, it's going to allow the government center to be self-resilient. When we have PSP outages, we can still operate and provide services to the public.
County services, they don't take a day off. They are 24/7, 365. Working with SitelogIQ and installing our solar array saved us untold hundreds of thousands of dollars that go back into our general fund.
We've invested in a microgrid to be more resilient to power outages and PSPS events.
The sun's power above us is there, so we're going to use it to benefit Amador County.
These decisions that we've made today will have deep impacts in the future.